1000 years after attack, Somnath temple still stands tall. PM Modi leads Yatra with 108 horses. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Sunday led Shaurya Yatra, a ceremonial procession organized to honor those who laid down their lives defending the Somnath temple in Gujarat's Gir Somnath district. The event was held to remember the countless citizens of India who made sacrifices to defend the temple. The program marked 1000 years since Muhammad of Ghazna's invention of the Somnath temple in the year of 1026. The Prime Minister also offered prayers at the historic temple. The Shaurya Yatra was as part of the Somnath Swaभिमान Parv, featured of a procession of 108 horses reflecting valor and sacrifice. 72 hours of continuous chanting of Omkar was conducted by 1000 students to mark the occasion, the PM said while addressing the event. The Somnath's history is not the one of the destruction and defeat, but it is a tale of victory and rebuilding. The struggle of 1000 years has no parallel in world history. From Ghazni to Aurangzeb, all religious fundamentalists thought that by their sword they had won Somnath. Those fundamentalist invaders are now reduced to pages of history, but Somnath temple still stands tall, he added. Earlier, a large number of people and devotees gathered of both sides of Yatra route from Sangh Circle to Veer Hamirji Gohil Circle to greet Prime Minister. Standing on a specially designed vehicle, PM Modi, accompanied by Gujarat Chief Minister Bhupendra Patel, waved at the crowd during the 1 kilometer long yatra. A group of young priests and Rishi Kumars walked along Modi's vehicle playing Damru, an instrument of Lord Shiva. Artists from across the country, including Jammu and Kashmir, performed their traditional dances on the stages erected regular intervals at the route. The yatra culminated at Veer Hamirji Gohil Circle, from where the path to the famous temple begins. At the circle, Modi offered floral tributes at the statue of Hamirji Gohil, who had sacrificed his life to defending the Somnath temple against the incursion of the Delhi Sultanate army in 1299 AD. Later, Modi paid floral tributes to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, whose statue has been installed near the entrance of the temple premises. Thanks to Patel intervention, Somnath temple underwent restoration. After Independence Day, it was formally opened to devotees in 1951. PM Modi also offered prayers at Somnath temple. He sat for a puja at the temple amid Vedic chants by the chief priest. Thank you. #latest news. PM Modi to visit #India. Thank you. Thanks for watching our video. And if you are like this article, and if this article will be touched to all of your heart, then like this and comment on this comment section. Okay, thanks for watching. Thank you. I am Mr. Tapu, the daily updates reader, and thanks all of you. Thank you. Jai Jagannath.